Hey, how you doing? It's Craig Haskell with the Value Hound Academy, and welcome back to another session. Today we're going to talk about Maverick real estate investors. What sets apart Maverick real estate investors from everyone else? Think about the big mega billionaire Maverick investors like Donald Trump, Zell, William Sanders, Barry Sternlicht, Jorge Perez. What makes them different? What makes them unique? Why have they been so successful? Well, there's a lot of reasons why they've been successful, but there's three core reasons, three common threads that they all have. And we're going to talk about that today. In fact, these are the same principles we teach here at the Value Hound Academy and at my coaching program. So let's get started. Let's talk about the first one. Maverick real estate investors they're entrepreneurial. They see problems and come up with solutions. They create a business around those solutions, and they go out and make money with it. They're able to take $1 and make $5 with it. That's really what we're talking about. Let's take the story of Bruce Johnson. Bruce Johnson found a problem in the marketplace. People were having nasal problems in here. They couldn't breathe. They were snoring at night. I know my wife, she's getting on me saying I'm snoring. And I'm saying, wait a second, I don't snore. Well, I guess I do snore. But he found a solution. He came up with something called breathe rights. Breathe rights. And what breathe right basically is it's a little, like a Band-Aid with a little plastic thing goes on top of your nose, expands out your nasals, and you can breathe get better. And my wife says it helps. My snoring's not as bad. So he came up with a solution. He was able to take $1 and turn it into $5 because he was entrepreneurial. We're real estate people. Let's take a problem. Seniors are growing. They need a place to live. They don't need 3 and 4 bedrooms. What if we found a place where there's a lot of seniors? We found an old beat-up hotel, and we convert that hotel to smaller units, studio size, maybe singles. That's all I need. It's more affordable. We've come up with a solution. We're able to take $1 and turn it into $5. So entrepreneurial. Second thing is Maverick value investors are very good at buying great deals. They can see value. Here's a book by Jorge Perez, Powerhouse Principles, that I recommend you get. And in there he says, the way you make money in real estate is to create value. The more value you create, the more money you make. And so the idea of buying great deals is you're taking your property that you found here, come up with a solution, going out trying to find a property that fits that solution, and you're going to buy it. You're solving a problem. People in New York are walking down Fifth Avenue next to this big, huge, mid-rise, old, beat-up hotel. Every day they'd walk by this hotel. Donald Trump was entrepreneurial. He saw that. He knocked that baby down. He put up a nice, beautiful luxury office building, multi-stories high. He called it the Trump Tower. He was entrepreneurial. He made a great deal. Zell, he's very good at seeing inefficient markets where there's an imbalance between supply and demand, creating market pricing problems. So he would capitalize on those market pricing problems and buy a lot of properties. He got known as the grave dancer. He was entrepreneurial. He made a great deal. Let's talk about the next step. Next step is leveraging other people's money. If you have a great solution to a problem, you find a deal that fits that, it's easy to raise money. Maverick real estate investors are great at bringing people around them into the deal, making money. And so think about it. If you're an investor, you're looking at a deal that has a solution to a problem, it's a great deal. You think if you put $1 into the deal, you're going to get $5 back. So what do Maverick real estate investors do next after this? They do it again. And they do it again. And they keep doing it. They replicate it because they've been successful doing it. So also, I want to let you know, we interviewed Steve Bergsman. Steve Bergsman is the author of this book, Maverick Real Estate Investing. He also has another book out just recently called After the Falls, and that's a great book about what's going on in this distressed market and opportunities that are available. But this is a great book for you to read as well as listen to the interview more about what Maverick real estate investors are doing, because some of the insights give you clues to how to be a little bit more successful. So I hope this information has served you. I look forward to giving you more information about real estate value investing and helping you reach for the stars.